Well, new on WLWT, Norwood taking action to prevent flooding in the city with a new multi-million-dollar project.
So this has been an ongoing issue there, sadly, for decades, but people are finally going to get a break once this project is complete anyway. Our meteorologist, Adam Burniston, here now to break it all down for us, and we're seeing just one of the floods that they've dealt with.
Yeah, definitely a long time coming for these residents there, Ashley Cherie. This is no doubt a great day for the people who live near and on Elm Avenue in Norwood, as they will finally get relief from decades of flooding with this $2.3 million project. 2016 was one of the most memorable floods for the city, as heavy rain over a few hours caused several feet of flooding inside homes and even along the Norwood Lateral. Major flooding happened again in 2021, with homes and cars getting inundated again by floodwaters. Now with this project, crews are working on replacing the old and small 24-inch water drainage pipes with new 56-inch pipes. Once completed, Clint Zimmerman with the city of Norwood says this new pipe will be able to divert what used to be floodwater into a controlled area.
Currently, the rainwater backs up into homes. We're basically taking where that backs up and moving the retention here, so that rather than it filling up in people's homes, it'll fill up in a retention basin that's going to be built here. Typically, it's be a mixture of green space and spillway.
Now, Zimmerman says work will continue through this year and be completed in 2026. And at 5:30, I'll have more from what neighbors in the area are saying about the project. Meteorologist Adam Burniston, WLWT News 5.
All right, Adam, thanks so much.